Hey, what's good, everyone? So today, what I want to do is I want to show you the new Wayfarer glasses by Ray-Ban Meta. So I went ahead and I got these because I'm gonna go to the Anime Matsuri event tomorrow. Well, Thursday through Sunday. I'm actually volunteering there, and this is something that I've been wanting to do for a few years now. Since the pandemic, I wanted to, buy some of these glasses and go to Anime Matsuri, go to different conventions, concerts, even, just stuff, and just recording some of the events, some of the stuff that I see, and just giving you some highlights. Well, let's go ahead and check this out. So this will be my first time doing an unboxing, and unfortunately, I won't be able to see you. Okay, but here we are. All right, so first it comes with a little tab here. Just pull it. Which this is really cool because I remember when I was a kid and I used to open up my toys, they always used to come, in that hard plastic, and I always used to cut my hands up. But now as an adult, toys are a little different. So let me put it here on the camera. Well, I may not be able to put it all on the camera, but there you go. So it you saw how it opened up. It just basically just falls all apart. It falls flat. Comes in a nice little case. Has some nice heft to it, and I mean it's really nice leather. Premium leather. So immediately when I open this, the little button lights up. So I haven't read any of the instructions. I haven't read anything about this. So this, I'm just brand new. I don't know what's going on. The box is also awesome. It's like it just feels expensive, honestly. So in the little compartment here, the first section, you have your little cloth to clean your glasses. Let's check out the other side. And the other side is how to get started. Okay, so we're going to put those for later. Oh, and then finally, you have the safety and warranty, the booklet. All right, and I think that's it. So let me just close this up real quick. All right. So here are the glasses. Okay. So have you ever owned Ray-Bans? They're basically, they feel the same. I do notice that the rims, I don't know what this shit is called. The lens part is thicker, and I mean, definitely the little part that goes on your ears. Well, I'm gonna try them on. Yeah, they feel snug. Now, my wife always says that I have a big head. You see my Christmas tree over there? Well, but yeah, they fit really nice. So these I got the shiny black with green, but they don't look green lenses to me. Um, I did want the black ones. Maybe it gets green outside. I don't know. So I don't know how to work this. Hey, Meta. Yeah. Yeah. So as you can see, I have no clue what's going on. But there you go. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and just play around with these. Oh, I think I found the on switch. I'm gonna play around with these, and then I'll be using them for Anime Matsuri.